Going back home. So we're the place is gonna be. Mountains. Big. Sick pig. Oh, water. Oh. Look on the pier them. Pier food just drop off of the tree. Yeah. Breadfruit tree there. Have enough breadfruit. Enough pier there on there, so. Oh, some tangerine there. Make we go see if we can get tangerine. I can put on. I'll pick up the pier there when I come back. Yeah. Blessings. Blessings, you know. To the drone there. A good life. Jamaica Good Life, what's that? So the Good Life, yeah. Watch it. No, not for my friend them who watch the YouTube, them want to come back. I'm going to find more land for myself for them. Because when I get old enough of them want to near me. So, next time I come on an expedition, not to come with me. Keep saving the money. I have to stay far from Babylon, you know. And live in a Mount Zion, you see. So now I could go for one of them tangerine there. Watch your step, cause enough things plant on you, so now tangerine here. I think them ripe enough, but them hard. So them green. Them not ripe yet. Them not ripe yet. Goat, what you say? Alright. So Denny have pumpkin and yellow yam. Get there. See a bird eat out one of them. Can't make drinks with them, you know. Alright. Pure coral stone there, so, you know, from the ocean. Then place your original Jamaica. So for my workout this week, I'm going to keep up and down this. You keep running up and down this about 20 to 50 times. You're supposed to get in a shape. Whew. Mango on the floor. Mango. Home, sweet home. Yes, a tangerine. That's orange. Janko, move off, Hamela. That's a Janko. Come off, my thing. Oh, see the view there. And I asked me, Randy, why you going to build it? Alright. See there? Lord God, man. Boy. See where I want there? Ah. Boy. Hey. Boy, Lord. Boy. So now, you see them foundation here? Right? What am I going to do? I'm going to build up on the side. Big square. Right? Big square so. Okay? I'm going to go up and then deck it off. So we can stay at the front and sit down. And after I deck it off, the one time there, then we go up again. You see me? And all around it would be just big. The goal is for just build the first square. All the way up. Right? Build the first square. Put the pit over there. Set a bathroom right here. Just build the first square, go up. And this foundation is not so solid. So we're going to knock down this foundation. I'm going to leave this up. I'm going to just build on the side here, so. You know? Round it. And go up. Go all the way up. Up, 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 up. Big square. You know? And then after the two thing them go up now. Alright? Then you just then later on now a square I go up. And that's when I go deck off, yeah, so just have a seat on the bottom for now. Then the extension now, I go put some posts down here, so now. Then I go up with it and deck it off. And then I go up again and meet the first deck. Put it over here, so. See, I have a big living room here, so, for the healing. And the window, them, all windows. Just check the view. So I'm going to build that later. Right now, I'm focus on the castle part. 2-story. You see? See it there? See it there, man? Get up in the morning. Peace and tranquility. My friend them come. We live. Work. Put my jacuzzi upon the first floor. Water. What I gonna do? You see all of this right here, so. All of everything under the bottom. I'm gonna dig this down. All of that is gonna be a big, you see all them stone here? I'm gonna break stone and build a big tank under the bottom of the thing. You see me? And then a big tank there now. I go help for planting the garden with water and the same water in the big tank is gonna be pumped around the house with solar panel to create a little constant running fall over here. So we're going to set this up into a garden. And look at why I would make it drop in. Be careful. But this is the sanctuary. Baba did good. These are so orange. Oh, plant a more tree. A tangerine that they look like tangerine, you know. They are so orange though. That's an orange. Pimento tree. A tangerine. So orange. See that. Then I plant and calm them. A tangerine, this. Okay, look at tangerine. We are going to go on a journey. I'll take you to a place called Belly. We are going to Belly City. I don't know. I don't want to know good. I don't look like tangerine, you know. Yeah, man, tangerine. Place has some lovely grapefruit. Let's say, never see a place so lovely. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, what is this? I want to come on there. I'm going to verminate. I'll go back down. We just had a nice sleep up in the mountain. Just slept for a while. You know? Whew, yeah, that's a nice rest. Detox from Babylon. Yeah. Now we'll go back down. See. Exit the world. Have a sacred place where nobody no come. Once every blue moon. And you just detox, do your reading. Drink your water. Do your cleanse. And just heal yourself, yeah? Rejuvenation business. No tourists. You see me? No noise. Peace and tranquility. Somewhere on earth you can say yes. Peace do exist. Give thanks for this place. The Almighty creation has blessed me With this peace and tranquility, give thanks to the ancestors, yeah? When you come upon this mountain, can't have no argument. You know, none of the argument business up there, so. Oh. How I eat to have that goat? Huh. Pear tree all over the place. But you see up here when I come, you know. See him there? Breadfruit tree too. I'll bring him up here and it's oh, bird I ate apartheid. I'll bring it to you still. I'll bring it. I'll feed the pig. Pig the runner so hungry. Need some water. Right in there, so. Yes. Yes.
Just start drink this.
Looks good.
Look at me again.
Yeah, this is
If you're on a grill in a restaurant, in a hotel, you don't get this, you know?
I know that.
You know that?
A car in there,
Yeah, man. Karen have me give him already, man.
him okay?
Yeah, man. If you're on a grill,
Yeah.
in a hotel,
Yeah.
you never get this kind of food. No, man.
Give me a big plate.
You have a big plate full.
Yes, sir. And for the rest up, you know.
Come on, I give you the best of everything, you know.
Yeah, man, this is it.
This is it.
Yeah.
When you taste it now, I taste more, you taste it again, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
Thank you so much.
Because, well, my friend who talked to me last night, right?
Oh, there she is.
Where she?
Give you so much joy
Mm-hmm.
because when you see that you're responsible for the birds, them
Yes.
you're saying in your farm as a farmer, you're like God to the bees.
Yeah, me, I them king.
Yeah, them king.
Yeah.
The bird them.
Bird them, they look out for me a man in time, you know.
The bird them.
Yes, they look out for their master coming in, man. Me used to work in the hills over there, see? And right up I make up the fire so a morning time when I go there. One yam tree there. And one day I go there. And I see a small little green lizard. About that size. And when I see him, I just say to him, I don't like them still. But when I see him, I say to him, I don't kill him. Can't steal. Kind of look dangerous. And the green lizard live there. And every morning, because when I work at Freedom, I go there every day like I used to go on this place now. And every morning as me go and bend down to make up the fire, is right there look for me. And you know so the green lizard turn into a monster. You understand me say a monster? In time they turn into this big of a green lizard. And me no worry him. He make him bed. He have him place where he go sleep at night time. When me cook food, throw down, he come down and eat. But as me go there morning time, so he is right here looking at me. What do you think I look out for? Me. The man we feed him, and me I feed him. That's it, that's the animal. He have instinct. And he not rush me. But if you go there now, in changing color pan, you kind of know you. Go there as if you know turn black pan you. Who are you? This who? That's how you work.
You say, who are you? You is who?
You is who?
Who's you?
Yeah, some green lizard over going, you know. Right, I see that tree?
Yeah.
They have a time when they just come down. But if they come down and see me, they don't turn black. But if they come down and see Denny, they turn black. Because they don't know him. They're not care to him yet. So I said, Denny Church left him, man. I can't stay, man. Because they didn't really kill him, you know. Because they didn't like them. So I said, no, man, left him, man. And in return, they look for you, so tell him just go back up. Kind of come down for hurt, you know. He is a hunter.
Just a check.
He's not checking, come hunting food. So once you see him come down, a food him come for.
Yeah.
So he will stay right up on the tree so and stay so.
Yeah.
What you think he did there? They pray for him, aspire for him pray. My aspire, what me can't go pick up now? He just want to see a bat on the location.
Yeah.
So as he see the bat, I say, him! And grab him and gone up back with him. So you might not see him for the rest of the day again. That's how he work. But he not go back up unless he care of something. Because of food he come down for. He not come down to hurt you. Because when he look for you, you know, he's like a monster to him because you're afraid of him. But he not come down to hurt you. Or if he woman over the next side. Because he woman over the next side of the other tree, you know.
I'm going to try to get there.
Alright. Same much try to get the woman. But if you want him to get ignorant, try to rush him. Don't rush him when he might go look for you, woman. Can't go look for you, woman, you know. So anytime you see him push out this thing here, so.
Yeah.
You know him is near to you, woman.
Yeah.
So that time he becomes angry, aggressive.
Yeah.
But as long as you don't see him push out the thing here, so. You know, aggressive.
And he will jump and bite you.
He will jump on you at that time. Because that time most aggressive time.
But when they bite you, them can't do you.
They say when if they bite you, they poison you. Some people say.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They never bite you yet.
They never bite me, so I can testify to that.
No snake is over there.
No, sir. You will smell the place, but they have some, I don't really see it, they call them snake. Snake we did there, but they don't come out. They were in the hills or under the cave. But they don't come out in a day, man. Because they don't make for them, you know, so they don't come out in a day. The animal know roots, you know. So they don't come out in a day, because you know, say if you come out in a day, you will get killed. Because you always know, say, you have a, just like how me know, say, no go in the hills tonight because somebody is there for you attack you. Animal will go attack you. You don't know him think too. So you now come out. It's like if one, alright, they have some lands in the bush where they call them galliwasp. In long about so. And if the galliwasp spot you before you spot you, you never see it. Whooshing gone. Kind of why if you come close to him, kind of say you kill him.
Galliwasp is what?
It's a long thing like a snake.
Yeah.
But it's not a snake. But he never make you get close to him. You will see him afraid of him. But him never make you get close to him because he knows that you is the enemy. You is in life taker, man is in life taker, so you have to kill him. So as you see in that shaft and gone under the stone, find some place hide behind the stone beyond your reach or my reach. So you have to understand how the animal them program. You see that pusher? This cat here we left tonight and program out the whole gang over bush and look food for it and come back here, you never know saying go down way.
And we go all that way?
All that way.
2 miles.
2 miles. And come back before daylight. Because that's in program. Anywhere smelling food. In gone. And I go hunt here and come back. Sometime when we are going in the morning time, like all in 6 o'clock, 5:30, when we see some food print out in the road, I say, Lord God, this suppose a lion attack me in the bush. Don't kill me or kill me. Because the food them is so big, but an animal, a wild animal, or dog or other things, they hunt the hills at night time, and especially like a foot track. What animal doing is follow a foot track. So the dog will do this, you know, and he somebody say, me go over and listen peace today. Fly hell him and go over there tonight. Because something good I left over there. Because once him do say no, and start holding your head in a straight to your day again. That's how you follow. Straight them I go. You go and hold on your head and smell your foot. So you smell the slip at the bottom, they say you walk castle. You must follow it, go straight to the fireside. Over go. When you eat at the hills and the money, there is so much knowledge and things that you learn. By even with the animals them, how they program. You know I have no time for with the people them. I don't have time for them. Deal with the animals. Can you not get no trouble? And you learn too much from them.
Them live with you.
And they live with you.
Bird them must sing.
Yeah, birds are sing.
So when you're there, you're listening. Any
Yeah.
little move, you hear it.
Yes. You have one bird that they call him John Chewy. You heard about John Chewy?
Yeah, yeah.
If you're in a bush there hear John Chewy sing, you never want to come home at night time. When I feel him season, can you have a season, you know?
Yeah.
When I feel him season and them come in, when you sit down on the hut over bush and you hear him start singing at the cedar tree, you don't want to come home. You want to take a thing and catch it, so. I know myself say me sweet. I say myself, I'm sweet. sweet, John Chewy.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes. I tell you, say it's sweet. And you repeat it. Sweet, John Chewy. If you ever hear you sing a laugh, tell them this. You have to deal with the animals, man. Deal with the animals, they have a long life. Things help if you move, if you grow up more, I'm gonna learn more.
Today's what day?
Today is the 15th.
Today's Tuesday.
Monday, man.
Today's a holiday.
Yeah. And a big holiday. Big National Heroes Day.
Yeah, man, the bird them, y'all love the turtle dove. Yeah, Jamaican bird them nice, man. It's a beautiful place. because of media. That's up egg.
Red peas.
Red peas
and chicken foot.
And chicken foot.
Wow.
Hanging with Karen and Baba again.
Again.
You see that? you drink.
What are the top bit? Come like the chicken kind of push. I found some of
Run this up.
the
The strategic thinkers behind government, the psychological panels, there has to be psychological panels in government can say, you know, there's a psyche across our country with the American influence. Right. How do we counteract that?
Oh, right.
Yeah, see, this is where thinking and government comes hand in hand, as opposed to policies and IMF, and there's a bigger thing going on here. The psyche of the people has to be addressed. That happens with media, and I think next level of government have to start really implement programming on television to affect the psyche of the younger youths, because they're trying to be like Americans. But Jamaica is not built to be like America.
Like America.
It's a farming country.
Yeah,
you have to farm. It's not about, you don't get jobs in Jamaica. Jobs are not produced in Jamaica.
No, sir.
Food's produced.
Food
Sun,
produced.
water, wood, innovative food product that can be exported. That's what Jamaica is about. It's not about high rise and jobs.
Jobs. Producing jobs.
No. And that's the misconception of an island.
And a country.
The island trying to be an island.
Yes.
That's a beautiful place to live. And it's a rich culture because the people have a lot more time because of lack of jobs in industry. You find that Jamaica is an artistic capital of the world, creative capital of the world. You know, so these people being so creative, the government have to find ways to create creative outlets for capitalize on these talents. So this is what you find when you don't have thinkers in government to say, wait a minute, scammers, crime, ghetto, what's synonymous with that? Lifestyle. Trying to be something you can never be. This is why I produce Jamaica Good Life. Because in producing this program, if I could influence government to produce programs like this, not go visit Master on his donkey and, you know, go down an old-time road. Actually sitting with people, learning how they live, learning the mathematics, how you live, how you survive, how you profit, and show other Jamaicans. You know, I uploaded a video on YouTube that my cousin Precious sent to me, and it was a video with a guy driving to Kingston selling his food on his truck. That video got so many likes and hits because people abroad like, you know, maybe we can go sell my food to Kingston.
Yes.
You see, people abroad, they've tried a lot of ways to survive in Jamaica, and most of the time they get ripped off.
Yeah.
There's a sense of give up, you know, because Jamaica, you can't trust no one.
Crime rate high.
Rate high, but trust among business. There's no business, what you call, you see, there's no business morality. There's no truth in business in Jamaica. You go work for a man, you know, you're not going to pay all the money.
Not pay all the money.
There's this, among us as people, there's this, why? We don't want to even do business enough because...
We're kind of afraid of the people.
Fear.
Take for instance a man, I work with Jamaica Public Service.
Yeah.
Remember say I did him raise family from.
Yeah.
I did my eat food from.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. And yet still,
yeah.
I take a crew of man go there. And rob the highway around the machine with him fear run.
Rob the oil?
Yes, and sell it on back door deal. So,